For today's episode of Jon Prints Things, I'm printing a book stand. I recently got a large photo album and I wanted to display it at an angle that is propped up. This particular book stand stands about 133 millimeters tall and has a base of 120 millimeters. It's going to fit really well within the size constraints of my Ender 3, and I'm printing with a layer height of 0.28. Let's go ahead and see what the slice says. And we're looking at about 5.5 hours of printing time. Our preview here shows that we have 477 layers. So let's get to printing. And our printing is done. So we have the final product, the book stand. I went ahead and cleaned up all the stringing. I still have a little bit of tuning to do on my retraction settings. And these little dimples here are actually from the time lapse. It pauses for a second to take the picture, and PETG tends to be a little bit runny and stringy. But overall, it came out really well. Now that I've cleaned it up, you can take your average book and be able to place it on it. It holds your average book really well, and the presentation angle is great. The photo album that I'm putting on this is much thicker than this book. In fact, it's closer to the actual width here between the legs and the back holding arm. But overall, very pleased with the print. Came out very well, and took about 5.5 hours as described. That's all. Have a nice day.